Well, we're having a great time here at the Melges 20 Europeans in Croatia, in Šibeniku. It's a beautiful spot. I tell you, the highlight for me every day is to sail out to the race course and back in. It's very pretty, beautiful boats and beautiful scenery, and the wind has been fantastic. Today especially, the breeze was fantastic, and beautiful racing, and we're very happy to be here.
Hi everybody, I am JK Val, Italian measure, international measure for this Melges 20 international class. I'm very happy to be here in Šibeniku. I remember Šibeniku till about 40 years ago when I was a younger Finn sailor making training in this area, beautiful area. I want to thank everybody for the warm and huge welcome that you gave to us. Thank you so much.
We can say that it's a beautiful place, good sailing, but our day was off. So unfortunately we are not so happy at the moment. Sorry, come to us tomorrow.